Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video let me show you how to remote play on your Steam.
So Steam Remote Play lets you stream and play your PC games from another device, such as laptop, phone, tablet, or even another PC. To use it, make sure your Steam is installed and running on your main gaming computer, which is your host PC, and that both devices are on the same network. So what does it mean for that? So you wanna have both devices connected to the same Wi-Fi. Next is that on your second device, which is the client PC, download and install the Steam Link app. So both of them must have a Steam. Then once launched, it will scan for computers running Steam and select your host PC and enter the provided PIN if prompted and pair the devices. Next is that from the Steam Link interface, browse your library and click this one. Click start playing so that it will just generate the game. You can use a connected controller or keyboard and mouse depending on your device. And for the best performance, use a wired connection or strong 5G GHz Wi-Fi and enable hardware encoding in Steam settings under remote play.